For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
BJP Rajya Sabha MP Jyotiraditya Scindia said the upcoming assembly polls in Madhya Pradesh are crucial and the result will decide the future of the state. Jyotiraditya Scindia termed the upcoming by-polls a battle between Bada Chota Bhai versus Trimurti. He said the by-elections will decide whether people want the leadership of Bada Chota Bhai or Trimurti. Scindia was referring to veteran Congress leaders Kamal Nath and Digvijay Singh as Bada Chota Bhai. Scindia referred Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, BJP leader Narendra Singh Tomar and himself as Trimurti. The Election Commission is yet to announce the date for by-elections in more than 24 assembly seats in Madhya Pradesh. Jyotiraditya Scindia quit the Congress in March and later joined the BJP. Scindia praised Chauhan for sanctioning projects worth 110 crore rupees for development of Gohad in Bhind district. He said Kamal Nath would always complain about shortage of funds during his tenure as the Chief Minister. After 15 years, when the Congress party formed the government in Madhya Pradesh in 2018, the party won 26 out of 34 assembly seats in the Gwalior-Chambal region. The contribution of this region in the victory of Congress was immense. Everyone witnessed what has happened in the 15 months of Congress rule. We have no greed for chair or power, but it was a question of justice, pride, and development. Scindia said the upcoming assembly by-elections will determine the future of Madhya Pradesh. The upcoming by-elections to Madhya Pradesh Assembly will determine the future of this state. People will decide whether they want Bada Chota Bhai or Trimurti. The voters will decide whether they want to choose who remain with people during their good and bad times or those indulging in corruption and exchange of money. He lauded Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan for his leadership skills. Scindia said the Kamal Nath-led Congress government was steeped in corruption and failed to fulfill its promises to the people. It is not an easy task for a leader to remain as Chief Minister for 13 long years. It is possibly only when you actually have made a place for yourself in the hearts of people with hard work and dedication. The Congress should have drawn a bigger line than the BJP after grabbing power in the state. It drew a big line, but that of corruption and unfulfilled promises. The by-elections will be a fight for justice and honor, and those who fail to remain with the people when needed have no right to seek votes from them. The Congress accused Scindia of colluding with the BJP to topple the democratically elected government. Scindia made the comments while taking part in the two-day BJP membership drive in Gwalior. The BJP MP vowed to defeat the Congress in the by-elections and ensure the victory of the Saffron Party.